Hi guys, I'm Lauren, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a TikTok within the app and how to edit a TikTok using VEED, our online video editor, where you can make a professional video even if you're an amateur. TikTok has become the fastest growing social media platform and it's famous for making people superstars overnight. So if you want to become the next big thing, stay tuned because I'm going to keep it short, sweet and simple so anybody can learn. By the end of this video, you'll have created a TikTok that looks like this.
I don't wanna.
All right, let's get started. Now, first up, we're going to open up the app here and press the plus sign down the bottom. Here we have two options to get started. You can choose to upload a video that's already saved in your camera roll, or you can record yourself now by pressing on the record button. So you just go ahead, do whatever works best for you. Now we have our video, we can add music. So just click sound here at the top, and in here you can search for any song you like by clicking on the magnifying glass, typing in the song you want, press it, and then press the tick. At the bottom of the screen, you can lower down the original sound by pressing on volume and dragging that original soundbar all the way down to 0% and press done. If you would like to add a filter, click on filters here in the right hand column, and in here the filters are categorized. You have portrait, landscape, food and vibe. You can test them out and you can even change the intensity of them by dragging that bar up and down. Now just click anywhere on the screen to get back to the sidebar menu. And now we can add our effects. So just the same as filters, these effects are categorized. You can have a play around with them, see if they suit your style or your video, then press and hold the effect to apply it. You'll see now your video timeline is going to turn green. If I hold it down and release it halfway through, that means the effect is only applied to the green portion of my video. Now, if you make a mistake and you want to remove that effect, just click cancel and click discard effects. We can now add text to our TikTok by clicking text in the right hand corner. Type out your text and now you can choose a font and a color, and if you press down the A here you can choose an outline or a background to add to your text. You can move the text around the screen by holding it down and dragging it anywhere on the screen you like, and you can increase and decrease the size of the text by using both your thumbs to drag it in and out. Lastly, now we can add stickers by clicking stickers here in the left hand column, and here we have two different tabs, one for stickers and another for emojis. You can search for anything you like, you'll see tons of options up here, just choose the one you like, position it on the screen, and then we're ready to share our TikTok. So just go ahead and click next, type out your caption, add hashtags and click post. And that's it. Now you've learned how to edit a TikTok on the app. Now let's say that you want to increase the production quality of your TikTok and you're ready to up your game. I'm now going to show you how to edit a TikTok using VEED, and in here I'll show you how to add multiple clips to one TikTok, how to cut clips to the music beat, and how to animate your text. I promise you it's super easy, so if all that sounds good to you, all you got to do is click the first link in the description to get started. Alright, now we're in VEED, we're just going to click upload a file, choose the first video that we want to appear in our TikTok and give it a minute to upload. Now your video will most likely already be filmed for TikTok, but let's say that it isn't. If it was filmed for Instagram or YouTube, you're going to need to change the size of it. It's very simple to do. Just go ahead and click settings, now click size, scroll down to TikTok, and then just click on TikTok 9:16 aspect ratio and you'll see your video change. All you got to do then is click on the video itself and lastly click fill the canvas. Now to add another clip, just click media in the left hand column, click upload a file, choose your second video clip and just repeat this process for any remaining clips. Now we have all of our videos, we need to add music. So at VEED here, we actually have an entire stock audio library filled with loads of songs and sound effects filtered by genre. To access this, all you gotta do is click audio in the left hand column, click search, have a listen here, find one that works for you, or if you have an MP3 file already saved on your computer or laptop, we can import that as well. So to do that, just head to your timeline and where you see add media, click that, click upload a file and now import your music file. Once it's loaded, you'll see it appear below your video in the timeline. Now, before we start cutting clips to the beat, we actually need to trim the song first so that it fits in one of TikTok's time formats. So you can choose to have your TikTok 15 seconds, 60 seconds, or 3 minutes. I'm gonna choose 15 seconds, so I need to find that portion of the song that I want. So I'm just gonna play the track. When I reach the part of the song that I want my video to start at, I'm gonna hit pause, click on the song in the timeline, then click split. Now right click on the portion that I wanna remove and hit delete. I can now drag that song track over. And if you can't see the 15-second marker in your timeline, just click the magnifying glass with the plus sign to zoom in. And just keep on clicking that until you can see the 15. Now you can put your playhead on the 15-second mark, and we're gonna do the exact same thing again to remove the rest of that audio. So just make sure your audio track is selected, click split, right click on the part that you wanna remove and hit delete. Now, moving on to the edit, we're going to go clip by clip here and turn off the audio in each of our videos. So just click on the first video and under audio, drag that bar all the way over to 0 and just repeat this process for all the remaining clips. Now we're going to scrub through each clip just so we can find the best part of the video that we want to use. So for instance, there's a clip here of my sister opening the plane window, and I only want it from the point that she opens that window until she points her finger. So to use that portion, I'm just going to push the clip in on both ends in the timeline and then drag it over. And I'm just going to do the exact same thing to all remaining clips. So now we have the best parts, we can actually cut it to the beat now. So just press play, press pause the second that the beat hits, then click split, right click on the remaining bit of the clip and click delete. Now move the next clip over, and once again we're going to go back to the very start of the timeline, press play, press pause on the second beat, click split, right click on the axis, hit delete, drag the next clip over, and you're just going to repeat this process until all clips have been cut to the beat. Next we can move on to text. So we're just going to click text in the left hand column, and feel free to choose from any of the templates that you see here, or we can create our own by clicking headline title, type in your text. Now you can choose your font, your size, your color, and if we click more options, we can add a background, an outline, or a shadow. Just drag that text to wherever you want it on the screen, and then just head down to your timeline. And if you want your text to stay on screen for your entire TikTok, just make sure it's covering the entire video. Or if you'd like it to disappear halfway through, just drag it over to shorten the length of it. Now to add an extra touch here, we can actually animate our text. So we can click animation, and here we've loads of different options for you to try out. So go ahead, choose your favorite. And now we can render and export our TikTok. So just click export in the top right hand corner, choose your render settings and hit export once more. Give it a moment here to render. Once it's finished, watch it through once. And now that we're happy with it, we can click download and download MP4. That's it guys, that is how you edit a TikTok. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go on and give us a like, subscribe for more editing and social media content, and leave me any comments or questions down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!